Hey guys, it's Air. So for today's ganap, we are going to plant bougainvillea. Yes, boogies for short. But before we start, we have a special guest. It's my mom.
Hi! Welcome to my garden.
So in this video is hindi lang tayo magtatanim dito, kundi malalaman natin dito kung paano talaga magtanim ng boogies. Kung ano nga ba talaga yung soil na gagamitin and kung ano yung mga materials na dapat ihanda. So without further ado, let's get started.
This is the first step on how to propagate bougainvillea. First, we need cuttings. Ito kailangan na nating i-prune kasi mahaba na ang mga stems. Pero itong mga na-prune natin ay kailangan din nating maitanim para magkaroon tayo ng mas marami pang bougainvillea. The idea of this variety is called golden salmon.
So these are the cuttings that we collected from a mother plant. So the next step that we do is, what do you call that, mom?
Removing other leaves.
So that, what is the important of removing those leaves?
We need to remove the leaves on the bottom of the cuttings para pag itinanim natin, hindi malulubog yung mga dahon. Pero kailangan din nating magtira para mas madali itong mag-ugat. We are using rooting powder, dipping the cuttings in the rooting powder and then removing the excess rooting powder. This rooting powder encourages growth of roots and facilitating the growing of roots. In just 3 weeks, marami na itong ugat.
We only use here pure wet rice hull to propagate bougainvillea.
Haba ng tulog ko eh. Haba ng tulog.
Okay, so now we're done planting. Itatanong natin si mama kung kailan or ilang days, weeks bago natin or bago magkaroon ng roots yung isang bougainvillea.
So, those planted bougainvilleas are now settled in the tray. We will wait for 3 to 4 weeks before checking them if they have already roots like this.
That's all guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye!